Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. I say morning, this probably won't be up in the morning, but oh well. So this is my client Nikki, and she's come in for a fresh set today. So I applied my tips, I applied the clear layer, and now we're going in with design. So I picked out 3 colours. I tried to do an ombre on this baby finger and it just, yeah, look, didn't work. I was going to do like a 3-way ombre. I was going to do the light colour going into dark and dark, but the dark just like completely went over the light, and I thought, do you know what, I'm not even going to try. So I did a full now of red metal, I think it's called, from CJP. So I picked 3 colours out that were pretty similar. They were all like this smoky sort of colour, and they all had the same shimmer in it. So yeah, she was like, she picked out a colour. She was like, oh, I like these, and I was meant to choose one, and I just chose all 3, and we went with it, and it looked nice in the end. So yeah, so I'm just building up that colour on the baby finger here. I'm using Glitter Planet's Aqua brush today, size 14 I think I have the quite big one. So then onto the ring finger, I'm going to do like a colour block here. So I'm going to start with my nude. So here I'm using Birthday Suit, and I'm going to kind of do a smile line but bring it down into a point rather than a nice smile line, a pointy line. So yeah, I'll just let you watch. So the middle finger is going to be a 2-colour nail, and then I'm going to, where the 2 colours meet, I'm going to bring in some glitter. Do my back to front S. So here I'm using pomegranate. Love pomegranate. And then I'm going to use copper penny. I think it's copper penny. I will double check, but I think it is copper penny. And I'm going to place it at the cuticle area and drag down. I'm not bothering about the blend because I'm just going to cover it anyway. So the glitter that I'm using is actually called, it's from the Unicorn's Den, and it's called Rose Gold Chunky Hollow. I was really surprised by that because it's really quite, it's stunning, don't get me wrong, but I thought it was more like a coppery colour. Obviously that's why I've chose it. But no, it's a Rose Gold Chunky Hollow. But nevertheless, it's stunning. It went perfect with the set, so that's what I'm using here. And I also do dab into their they've got a normal gold. I also dabbed into that as well. You'll see the 2 difference later on in the video. So then onto the pointer finger, I'm going to use, I'm waiting with you to see. Oh, I kind of picked up all 3 of the colours on the bead all together at one time, and then just placed on the nail and just created whatever colour it made which was more, don't know, quite lighter, quite a light colour. So then I'm going to cover that whole in nail with that, and then I'm going to do a glitter fade coming down from the cuticle area using those same glitters. So then the thumb is going to be a glitter fade. That little yellow stain there, it was just a little bit of acrylic that was just lost, she couldn't get off. It was stuck down fine, so we just left it there. So this, again, a birthday suit, and then I'm going to come in with those glitters and do a glitter fade. So here, that is just rose gold hollow on its own, and then there is where I'm dabbing into the gold. Yeah, I absolutely love these glitters, I really do. Love them, love them, love them. So then I'm going to cap all the nails in crystal glass, and I have sped this part up purely because it's boring. So then once everything's set, I come in with my hand file and I'll make this triangle shape nice and crisp. And then I'm going to bring those glitters up, remove all the dust. I'm going to bring the two glitters up to that wall. So again, rose gold multi hollow down one side, and then their gold, I can't remember what their gold is called, but I will put it in the description box. It's just a multi-mix gold. So yes, I'll let you watch. So then I obviously capped that ring finger, and now we're going to go in with shaping and filing. So I'm just going to show you a little clip of me filing here, and then once that's done I'll come in my hand file and perfect the shape, but I don't think I recorded that for you. Then I'll buff them lovely and smooth. I left me a clip of me buffing them because I couldn't believe how aggressive it looked. I'm not that aggressive, but it looked like I was literally attacking her. But I wasn't. I really wasn't. It doesn't hurt at all. But I had to leave it in because I couldn't believe it. It looks really aggressive, don't it? Oh my god, I'm still getting used to these buffers. I'm so used to a block that I'm still kind of getting. Yeah, look, it looks like I'm absolutely hurting it, but oh, whatever. So I'll remove all the dust, and then we're going to apply a top coat. So I'm going in with the Gel Bottle Ink Extreme Shine top coat and just applying a thin layer of that over all her nails. I'll apply Naff Stuff's cuticle oil in cherry today, and then that's the set complete. I do leave a little clip at the end for you to see the final result. All my products that I use I'll leave in the description box, along with any discount codes that I do have for those companies. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.